Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's having trouble with the Bezier tool, which I very seldom ever use. It is a cool tool. But he wants to go from like that corner to that corner, then you let off, and then you can drag to the midpoint and click, and you don't have to drag it. You can move over here and come back. But then how do you get it to stop? Because if you go here, it draws another line. I've got the Bezier tool selected. Double hit your space bar. What that did is it turned the Bezier tool off, but turned it back on. So then I can go here, draw a line to there, draw a line to the midpoint, draw a line to there. Now double click the space bar and do the same thing, and what that does, it stops it from, it just allows you to start a new point. Bezier tool is I'm not doing very good at getting on the nose. And see, if you hold down the key, you get that. So if you want to just go here and go to the midpoint, it will continue drawing a line. But to undraw that line, so you won't go here, just double click your space bar. And what that does, the space bar toggles between the last tool. Now you got the pick tool, now I got the Bezier tool. Now I got the pick tool. Same thing with the magnifying glass, the zoom tool. I got the zoom tool, double click or single click, you get the pick tool. Click it again, you go back to the zoom tool. Anyway, hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.